In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two videos in OBS Studio, Step-by-Step Guide 2026. By the end, you'll have a single video file that plays one clip right after the other, all done inside OBS without using a separate editor. Start by opening OBS Studio. If you're new to the interface, look toward the bottom of the window for the Sources panel. That's where we'll load our video files. Click the plus icon and choose Media Source. A small window appears asking for a name. Type Video 1 so it's easy to track. Then click Browse to pick your first video file. Unless you have a specific reason to change anything, you can keep the default settings and click OK. OBS will place video 1 into your scene and it should appear in the preview. Repeat that same process to add your second file. Click the plus icon again, select Media Source, name this one Video 2, browse to your second video, and confirm. Now you'll see both Video 1 and Video 2 listed in the Sources panel. Think of these as layers. Whichever one is visible will be what OBS records at that moment. Before recording, we want only the first video to show. In the sources list, click the eye icon next to video 2 to hide it. Make sure the eye beside video 1 is on. In the preview, check that video 1 fills the canvas the way you want. You can click and drag to move it, or pull the red corner handles to resize if needed. Matching your canvas resolution to your videos helps avoid black bars, but if you see them, just adjust the transform until it looks right. When you're happy with the setup, click Start Recording in the Controls panel. Let the first video play all the way through. As soon as it ends, we're going to switch sources to create a seamless handoff. In the Sources panel, click the eye next to video 1 to hide it, and immediately click the eye next to video 2 to show it. The second clip will take over in the recording without stopping the capture. Give it a moment to start and let it run to the end. Once the second video finishes, click Stop Recording. OBS will save your merged result as a single file in your recording folder. If you notice a gap or a rough transition, try the process again and tighten your timing on the source switch. With a little practice, this method creates a clean back-to-back merge right inside OBS.